Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is pretty cool. Somebody's needing a little help with cut orders. They're saying when it cuts from the inside out, it messes it up. It needs to cut from the outside in. So we're just going to grab that, and you can see there's actually a white background on top of that. And that might be the problem, because if we make that white ground black, and then we take this one and go to Object and break the curve apart. Well, that isn't what I wanted. There we go. Take out that picture. So we've got two different cutting lines, I guess. Even though they're 0.5, which shouldn't cut, this one doesn't have a starting point here. So that's what might be happening. It's picking up on that. Where this one, he did say it worked one time. This one has a cutting start right there. It's going to either start or end right there. And that's what he needs. So I'm thinking you just need to delete that one. And then my suggestion, and I don't understand a little bit because the part that this has been cut off, I don't know if he does that after he glues on the white background, but this ellipse, let me set our nudge factor on 6 inches. And let's take this ellipse and move it over. It's got an awful lot of nodes for an ellipse. It's 5 by 5. So if we would group this, Control G, just to make sure, and then hit P, put it in the center of the page, you can draw a 5-inch ellipse that's only going to have 1 node or 4 nodes. So with our ratio lock, we could change this to 5 inches. I made it 56, so make it 5, and then hit P. There's your cut line, and it's going to be, if we look at this, 42 nodes versus, let me move that out of the way for a second. Grab the shape tool to find how many nodes and just click on it. So you've only got 1 node where this had 42. So you're going to get a lot better cut, and then just hit P and put that back in the center. I'm hoping that's what he was asking, because when you fill it in with black, what's going to be left over, the picture appears. That's outstanding. I'd like to know how that happens. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.